I love being part of my horrible films also because they taught me so much. They taught me what not to do in the next film. I learned swimming for Vijay 69.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, I learned for that film. जब मुझे पता लगा कि विजय 69 का is a film about a triathlon runner, and I have to learn the swimmer. I would like to learn dancing. I can't dance. I was horrified. A friend of mine sent me a video where they have used my AI voice and my old video and said that I'm promoting a betting app. Yeah, somebody called Rehan Malik, he is, and on his Facebook he did that. So I spoke to the police commissioner and I tweeted about it. It's a frightening thing to happen, and it's going to become more and more. So the best thing is to be aware, and luckily a friend of mine sent me that video. So hi, this is Anupam Kher and you are watching me on Zoom.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the star cast of Chhota Bheem. So join me as I welcome all of them on Zoom. First of all, lovely to have you. ये हमने कार्टून के टाइम पर देखा था, and now it comes into your human form. Sir, आपकी क्या memories रही है with Chhota Bheem?
मेरी मेमोरी यही रही कि जब भी मैंने देखा है, जब कभी-कभी एपिसोड मैं पोगो चैनल तो नहीं देखता था, मगर कभी-कभी यूट्यूब पे कुछ आता है. Very interesting, very high caliber animation character, and I was very happy that somebody created a character out of mythology of India. और बड़ा अच्छा थोड़ी देर पहले डायरेक्टर साहब ने राजीव को बोला था कि मुझे किसी ने पूछा कि आपने छोटा भीम क्यों रखा नाम, कहते अभी मुझे वो कैरेक्टर रखना था कि जो हमने सुना हुआ है या जो माइथोलॉजी से जुड़ा हुआ है. अपन बोलते थे छोटा सुरेश, मुझे सही लगा कि बात सही है. अच्छा, आई थिंक इट इज वेरी गुड, एंड मोर देन दैट इट्स अ ग्रेट लीप फ्रॉम एनिमेशन टू अ लाइव एक्शन फिल्म, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस. जब भी कोई बदलाव की चीज आती है और अगर मैं उसका हिस्सा हूँ तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
साथ ही सर, आपको अगर कुछ ऐसी मेमोरी में याद हो, because 40 years in the industry and you must have done like n number of films and we have watched you.
541 size.
540 sir.
41 का.
Wow. And उसमें ऐसा कैरेक्टर जब आप ऐसे लुक में कभी लगे?
मैंने तो इतनी लुक्स की है, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Like especially जब क्राफ्ट करते थे आपके बड़े.
1 घंटा लगता था. वो जो करने वाला था बहुत ही परफेक्शनिस्ट था, तो वो कहता हिलिए मत. तो आप इमेजिन करिए कि मैं ऐसे बैठा हूँ और वो बना रहा है स्क्रिप्ट. बट इट वाज फन. इट वाज आल्सो गिव मी चांस टू मेडिटेट, एंड मेरी पेशेंस को मैंने और टेस्ट किया. बट अच्छा था. लेकिन
ऐसा वेरी जरूरी है ना, आपको प्रोडक्टिव एनर्जी कलेक्शन हुआ.
मुझे मैं थिएटर से हूँ और मुझे थिएटर इस पिक्चर की, इस फिल्म की तैयारी मैं थिएटर के हिसाब से करता था. Wear the jewelry, wear the costume, be the character, हाथ में एक कैरेक्टर पकड़ा हुआ है, तो ऐसा लग रहा था. और जो स्टाइल भी है फिल्म एक्टिंग का, वो भी थिएट्रिकल, थिएटर के हिसाब से. जादू है, जादू से भरपूर है, म्यूजिक है. इसका अगर शिमला में जैसे हम छोटे होते थे तो रिक्शा में एक प्रचार करते थे माइक पे लेकर, मार धाड़ से भरपूर, आपको याद दिला देगी आपकी नानी, ऐसा कुछ. तो इसके बारे में भी ऐसा कुछ करते हैं. कॉस्ट्यूम और ये सब कैरेक्टर से भरपूर, बंदर, सांप, ये सब इसके अंदर है. सो इट्स अ रियली अ फैंटेसी फिल्म व्हिच everybody, I'm sure all actors have a fantasy to be part of a fantasy film.
सर, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग एनिमेटेड वर्जन में भी see the voice of, we hear the voice of the actors, but this one is like depicting the animated into, you know, proper series completely. How was it being a part of something like this? Because it's fictitious character. अब उस पे human form का face मिल चुका है. You know, छोटा भीम is not that animated version which I see otherwise.
But larger than life character, you know.
Yes.
This whole premise is a larger than life. सोनापुर है जिसमें इंसान अलग किस्म के, एक सांप बड़ा सा है 10 फीट का है, और बंदर है. सब कैरेक्टर्स अलग अलग हैं. तो वो लेवल फैंटेसी का which are who are trying to be realistic, but realism is also of an exaggerated form. It's a very interesting form. That's why children relate to it. Children को नॉर्मल कहानी सुना दो आप, उनको थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है. वो लगता है कि कुछ फैंटेसी, because their mind relates to fantasy much faster than anything which is realistic.
We always have this vivid imagination which keeps us
Exactly.
for everyone, who's creative enough. We always try to imagine a situation and try ऐसे हुआ था. And कई बार सोते भी कभी भी ऐसे ड्रीम्स आते हैं जो अलग ही गैलेक्सीज को अटैच किया जाता है. आपको ऐसे कुछ सपने आए हैं जहाँ पर you have a different world altogether or you have imagined something like that?
बहुत बार ऐसे सपने आते हैं. मुझे तो अभी भी ऐसे सपने आते रहते हैं कि डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड में हो, कहीं और चांद पर हूँ या नक्षत्रों में. Because mind is still very fertile and full of imagination. इसलिए आई थिंक अब देखते लिटरेचर भी देखे हैं तो बच्चे जो लिटरेचर पढ़ते हैं वो भी वो वाला नॉर्मल नहीं पढ़ते. मुंशी प्रेमचंद को नहीं पढ़ते. ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम. दे विल रादर रीड विक्रम बेताल. मतलब मैं अपने स्टैंडर्ड की बात कर रहा हूँ. हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल्स चंदा मामा, लोटपोट. कैरेक्टर्स आर वेरी फनी और मोर लार्जर देन लाइफ. वो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट अब नहीं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली अब मुझे लगता है कि 2 साल के बच्चे के हाथ में आप यूट्यूब पकड़ा देते हैं, फोन पकड़ा देता है ताकि ये चुप रहे. बट उससे प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि उससे इमेजिनेशन एक्सपैंड नहीं होती. वरना हम कोई तो लॉजिक होगा कि बच्चों को क्यों हम सुनाते थे कहानियाँ ऐसी. जो एक राजा था, उसकी 3 बेटियाँ थी, फिर बेटी जो है चौपड़े एक शहर वाला आदमी आया, फिर ऐसा मतलब इमेजिनेशन was wide.
I have to ask this to you, playing Chhota Bheem and when you're in the world of Dora the Explorer, doing a role like this, how was it for you?
It was really exciting and it was really fun to shoot all the scenes. And overall, it was a really amazing experience, and especially the action scenes. This was my first time doing action sequences, so it was really fun. It was a little nervous. I was a little nervous at first, but it was just amazing.
And how your bond has been with Anupam Sir, because he's a legend in himself and he's also a child by heart.
Yes, so first we all were a little intimidated, we all were a little nervous. But when we first shot our scenes, so he became a child with us only, and we played games, and he also helped us learn many things about acting, and he overall helped us a lot doing as an actor, and it was fun.
Now you are also producing the movie and not only producing, you're also playing his mother in the movie. So tell me about that. Who do right now with you?
One role is very okay like a producer. More hard work has been behind being a producer than playing Bheem Ki Maa. We've not seen Bheem Ki Maa in animated characters because वहाँ पे हमने बच्चा बड़ा सक्षम दिखाया है. यहाँ पे भी बहुत सक्षम है. But somewhere I think the writer and director felt कि अच्छा ठीक है, to kids get more connected and have more natural feeling. They brought Bheem Ki Maa in the role, which is again there in the spin-off of My Little Team on Netflix. So we picked up the characters were there, and हाँ मैं थोड़ा support करती हूँ, थोड़ा साथ देती हूँ, थोड़ा रोती हूँ, थोड़ा गाती हूँ.
So it would be very childish of me to say that choose one film, but you have to do that. That in these 541 movies which you have done, anyone which has been super close to your heart, that whenever you touch that memory of it, you really get very emotional whenever you collect those memories.
It has to be my first film, Saransh. It has to be because I was in a bad shape. I was down the. I was looking for an opportunity. 10 days before the shooting of the film was to start, I was thrown out of the film. And I was 28, playing a 65-year-old man. I had to use all my emotional memory. I was not married. I didn't have a child, obviously. And the story was about a father who loses his only child. So, nothing can beat that. And especially even now when I see that film, and I say, this is not me. Because I don't know how I did that. So, that's the only film I will pick up. And otherwise, there are fun films that I have had a great time, whether it's Khosla Ka Mosla, or whether it is Special Chapis, or whether it is Shola Aur Shabnam, David's Shola Aur Shabnam, or Silver Linings Playbook. Performance that I've given with my soul is Kashmir Files. I'm one of those lucky actors out of 541, I can still count 100 films, and I say I'm really very happy with these films. But if you need to name one film, then it has to be Saransh.
Any film which you regret doing?
Oh, not regret. No. I thought you were going to ask any film which was not very good. Plenty.
But somewhere you felt like, I should have not been a part of this, could have saved.
Oh, I love being part of my horrible films also. because they taught me so much. They taught me what not to do in the next film. And because the film is not an individualistic product of your work, it depends a lot on the director, music director, आपने कभी अच्छा किया होता है. But there was a phase when I was doing too much work and running around, and that's the phase I was a little bogged down and I was not at my best. But having said that, I have loved every film of mine and because journey has been phenomenal, fantastic. Every day to get up in the morning and go to makeup room and get ready, even for horrendous film, is a great experience.
So you recently also expressed that for 3 years almost you had gone through with vegetarians. During lockdown, when everything was going very simple, many of us, we didn't know where we are heading. Many of us, and I used to watch your videos. I used to watch your videos where you were taking the kids and feeding them in someone's hand again, and your videos of your mother, which were cherishing. And there were occasions when I just used to cry and I didn't know the reason behind it. But I would just watch that and I used to feel good. How did you overcome those obstacles in life? And how did you come back to how it was?
You see, staying down is not a choice. We all go through depression. Not depression, we all go through low feelings, etc. Then staying there is dangerous. You have to come up. And when I came back from New York, I was doing a series there, New Amsterdam. And when last flight from New York to Bombay, I took that Air India flight and I ended up in Mumbai. I was horrified to see the airport empty, the streets of Mumbai empty. It gave me such a horrible feeling because as विल स्मिथ की फिल्म थी एक जिसमें वो अकेला आदमी रह गया संसार में. Yes, I am legend. Correct. I am, of course. तो मुझे फिर मैंने अपने डर को, जैसे जब मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट लाइनें होती हैं फिल्म में या थिएटर में, तो मैं लिखना शुरू करता हूँ. So I started writing a book about what I was feeling, and that's how my third book, Your Best Days Today, came. So you have to do something when you are feeling low. And I felt that when I was diagnosed with depression against my thinking, I started going to places, I started working out. You have to physicalize your life. Because mind is very, it's like a drug. It will make you do what you are feeling. So अगर आप बैठे रहोगे तो और दिमाग खराब होगा. तो मैं बिना बात के बाहर निकल जाता था, लोगों से बात करता था. And that's how I only was medication for 3 months. Rest of it, immediately I became all right.
And coming back to your work life, sir, in these 40 years, have you made a constant friend who's been there for you for all these 40 years, like from then till now?
Satish was such friend. Yeah, so much fun. Otherwise, 2 of my childhood friends, my 8th standard friends are still there, Vijay Sehgal and Satish Malhotra. But in the 40 years, Satish Kaushik was just one such.
And so recently we also heard that you're all set to make your territory,
Yes.
come back completely after 20 long years, 22 years to be precise.
When I did Om Ji Jagdish, I was very excited that, I'm a busy actor and Mr. Vashu Balnani has been kind enough to give me a film to direct. But it was not my story. I was just fascinated by the fact that now this busy actor is directing a film. To be honest, I am directing a film now because the story, I needed a story which sort of compelled me to do the film. So Tanvi the Great is one such film which I've been working for the last 3-4 years. And I'm very happy at this stage. I will only say that I'm very happy that I've got a fantastic team of technicians. That's why I have only announced technicians first, and then we are 80% complete. And once I'm ready with it, I will talk about it.
And as we talk about technology, we see this movie, but recently you became a victim of fake videos on
Yes.
Instagram. If you would like to please say something on that.
Yeah, I was horrified. A friend of mine sent me a video where they have used my AI voice and my old video and said that I'm promoting a betting app. Yeah, somebody called Rehan Malik, he is, and on his Facebook he did that. So I spoke to the police commissioner and I tweeted about it. it's a frightening thing to have, and it's going to become more and more. So the best thing is to be aware, and luckily a friend of mine sent me that video. So what Mr. Jackie Shroff and what Mr. Bachchan have done is a good thing, that they have patented or they have secured their voices and things like that. I think like everybody
Scarlett
agrees.
Johansson.
Sorry?
Scarlett Johansson.
Yes, she
She's like
yes.
a fighter,
Exactly. So I think this is a good time to do that and record, make it legally only yours. I earlier felt that it's stupid sort of that अगर कोई आपकी नकल उतारता है या क्या करता है क्या जरूर, पर अब ये dangerous है.
And lastly, sir, there was this, news about feeling a bit upset with Abhinav Pathak because GPs, acting schools are short and you don't agree with that. And you are the one who is going all out there, giving trainings, even acting schools, and we have seen that over the years. So what do you say?
I was not upset, I was disappointed because she herself is a product of National School of Drama, of an acting school. So I felt that either she is looking down on somebody who is working hard and running an acting school. I'm not sure. She did not name my school. Maybe she is talking about, there are a lot of plenty of schools. But anybody who is making an effort and training the future generation actors should be respected. So it's important to sometimes reply, not necessarily, and respectfully reply, but correct them that their thinking is not right.
And before I let you go, what is that one thing now you want to learn after 40 years of acting?
I learned swimming for Vijay 69.
Okay.
Yeah,
Recently?
and I learned for that film. जब मुझे पता लगा कि विजय 69 का is a film about a triathlon runner, and I have to learn the swimmer. It's such a role that I learned. I would like to learn so many things. I don't know. I would like to learn dancing. I can't dance.
Really?
Yeah, I can't dance like that.
We saw your Mama Desi Bhaji at the wedding feast. That was a very good dance.
But मुझे पता है कि मैं कैसे डांस करता हूँ. मैं कोरियोग्राफर को बोलता हूँ मेरे चेहरे पर रख और नीचे पाँव मत दिखा.
Oh, actually.
But to end this interview, I think it's very important to say that our film, please go ahead. Action.
Yes. Then please watch our film Chhota Bheem and the Curse of Damyan in cinema on 31st May. I'm sure you all will love this film. It's a family entertainer with the action, jadoo, everything. So
And he is fantastic in the film.
Thank you.
So am I. And so is God.
Thank you so much.